The real reason you gossip has nothing to do with cruelty. I'm going to show you how the habit almost every culture condemns became the strongest system humans ever had for controlling each other. And by the final act, you'll realize the shame is thousands of years younger than the instinct. That sounds like an excuse. So, start here. 8,500 pieces of broken pottery pulled from one well in Athens, each with a name scratched into it. And why you still care about people you will never meet. You did it this week. Someone's name came up. They were not in the room. And for a moment, everyone paid attention. Almost everyone does this. Almost nobody defends it. Gossip is condemned in the Torah, in the Quran, in the Buddhist precepts on right speech, in employee handbooks. It survived all of it. Every culture ever recorded has a version. The words change, the behavior does not, and habits do die. Dueling died. Public execution as family entertainment died. The last one in France was 1939. This one absorbed thousands of years of condemnation and did not lose a step. So what is it doing that makes it worth the shame? Here is the first number. In the mid-1990s, Robin Dunbar and two colleagues did something almost too simple. They listened. They sat in cafeterias, bars, and trains and recorded what people around them actually talked about. The result, published in the journal Human Nature in 1997, around 2/3 of conversation time went to social topics. Who did what? Who is with whom? Who behaved badly? Not politics. Not work, mostly. Not ideas. People. What this means for you is that the small talk you dismiss as filler is the main channel. Everything else is the exception. Now the second thing. Someone tells you what a colleague said about you in a meeting you were not in. Your chest tightens before you have decided anything. In 2012, a team led by Matthew Feinberg at Berkeley had people watch someone cheat in a game. Their heart rates rose. Then some of them were handed the chance to pass a warning note to the next player. The ones who could warn someone calmed down. The ones who could not stayed agitated. Read that again. The body treats telling someone as the resolution. So the urge to pass it on is not an appetite for drama. It is closer to relief. Why would a body be built to feel relief at that? Remember the question. What makes it worth the shame? Here it is. Before police, before courts, before written records, reputation was the entire enforcement system, and talk was the only way it moved. There was no other punishment available. You could make sure everybody knew. Now go back to the pottery. From around 487 BC, Athenian citizens could vote once a year to exile a man for 10 years. Each voter scratched a name onto a shard of broken pot, an ostracon, and dropped it in. It was a formal procedure with a legal threshold. It was also a vote on nothing but reputation. No charge, no evidence, no trial. In 1966, excavators at the Kerameikos cemetery emptied a well and found around 8,500 of them. Nearly all carried one name, Themistocles, the man who had commanded the fleet at Salamis. When scholars examined the handwriting, a small number of hands had written the lot. Someone prepared them in advance and handed them out. Democracy's first formal act of exile was a ballot made of gossip. The mechanism never went away. It only changed surface. You have a group chat. Someone posts a screenshot. 9 people decide, in about 4 minutes, what a person is now. That is the well. Same procedure, faster. Think about the last scandal you followed all the way to the end. You will never meet any of those people. Why did you care? Social media did not invent gossip. It industrialized it, and the volume has not dropped. In 2019, Megan Robbins and Alexander Caron recorded 467 people's daily conversations on wearable devices. The average person gossiped for around 52 minutes a day. Here is the part nobody expects. Roughly 3/4 of it was neutral. Not praise, not attack, just information about people. Maintenance. We looked once at Mohenjo-Daro, the city that had no kings. This is what held it together, seen from the inside. The instinct was never the problem. The group stopped having edges. I've saved this one for last because it belongs last. Gossip is treated as the opposite of loyalty. It may be closer to its origin. Talking about people is how humans held each other to account when there was nothing else to do it with. No police, no records, no punishment except making sure everybody everybody knew. The shame arrived later, much later. Tell me in the comments, what is one thing you found out about someone that completely changed how you saw them? That shard in the Athenian well was never cruelty. It was a group checking whether it still worked, and so are you.